Let's learn how to make a contact sheet in Photoshop. Here we go. Click on File, Automate, and then Contact Sheet 2. In the dialog box, you'll want to make sure your photos are already in a folder and then select Choose Folder. Find the folder you want to have your photos in there. Then you're going to set up your document. How big do you want your document to be? Right now, mine's an 8 by 10. I'm going to change it to an 8.5 by 11 so I could print it out on my printer. Then do a little bit of math. How many rows do you want? How many columns do you want? Basically, how many photos do you have and wanting them to all fit on one page. Then decide, do you want captions under your photos? Do you want to rotate your photos to fit the best on the page? I like to make my captions kind of smaller and then hit OK. Now you're just going to let that thing load. It's an automatic process, so you'll see the spinning wheel, you'll see Photoshop working really hard here, and then eventually you'll have a lovely contact sheet. There it is, bam. So you can see my photos are rotated to fit the best. I like how that looks. It makes one layer, and now I'm going to export it quickly as a PNG. I would name it so that you have the ability to find it again. You know what project the contact sheet was for. Searching contact sheet is not that fun in your computer. So name it, save it, bam. Now you know how to make a contact sheet in Photoshop.